After the city of Jarrell was slammed by a deadly F5 tornado on May 27, 1997, people from near and far wanted to help. They showed up by the busloads. Once the news got out that 27 people had died and dozens of homes were destroyed, people arrived to help with cleanup efforts. But they also did so much more. Initially, one of the biggest and most immediate needs was to help those who were hurt. Many who were critically injured needed blood, so people showed up at blood banks and hospitals to give the gift of life.
With the first 3 of the 4 patients that we got, they were extremely critical and they used a lot of blood in surgery, so that really depleted our blood supply.
Besides giving blood, volunteers helped pick up debris and rubble. The work was hard, but those who arrived in Jarrell wanted to show their support to the residents of the devastated town.